Today we are starting off with a matter relating to burial rights. The matter is Makatsi versus Metele and another, that is from the Eastern Cape High Court in Bishu. And this is under the pen of Hartle J. For those of you following along in your bundles and summaries, this can be found at page 1. Now, what happened here is there was a dispute between the applicant and the first respondent over who should have the authority to bury the deceased. Now, the applicant was the estranged spouse of the deceased, and she contended that she should bury him as his surviving spouse. She was supported by their children. The first respondent was the deceased's son, who had also initiated burial arrangements. In this instance, the applicant approached the court to get the authority to attend to the burial over the deceased. What was interesting in this matter is that the court found that a fairness approach should be adopted and that each case is to be decided on the merits of its own particular circumstances. The outcome was that the applicant, the estranged spouse, the wife, was essentially vested with the sole authority over the mortal remains of the deceased. Now, I found two quite interesting quotes from this judgment. Both of the quotes are up on your screen. To the contrary, fairness in this particular fact scenario dictates, in my opinion, that the applicant, rather than the first respondent, should bury the deceased in keeping with the family's joint discretion, which supports their mother taking the lead in this respect and burying their father at his ancestral home. That's paragraph 8. And then paragraph 32 of the judgment, as was stated closer to home in Mahala versus Nkombombini and another, in circumstances like these, there should be no hard and fast rules, and each case is to be decided on its own particular circumstances. I like this. Common sense should be the order of the day, and the approach to strive for is one of fairness in the particular circumstances of the case. For those of you who would like to have the full citation, Makatsi versus Metele and another, 389-2024, and that's 2024 ZAEC BHC 11, and that was 18th of May 2024 under the pen of Hartle J in the Eastern Cape High Court, Bishu.